sentenced to jail.
I sentence you to jail for 5 years.
10 years in prison.
Ask me a question.
Do you plead to tell the truth?
I do.
Did you or did you not clean the dog poop?
I don't remember.
Guilty.
5 years in jail time.
Wait, am I guilty? I'm the witness.
Oh, the witness can be guilty. Be the lawyer. Maybe be the youngest lawyer ever.
Could you tell me what I should do?
Your Honor.
I want my money. Am I guilty or not? Am I guilty?
Children must rule over 20 years.
I mean, I don't know what the pink stands for, but I'm purple, so I'm just gonna do pink.
This looks more jail-y.
Oh, you want to do orange then?
They say yellow, the color has meaning if you're red, you're a
I know
murderer.
that, but like I don't know which one is which.
I think yellow means murder.
I think it's different for each country or something.
Okay, I'm not gonna be a murderer, so I'm going to be,
Of course, you're not gonna be a murderer.
I'll be a hero. I'm a hero.
Hey, get a donut. At least you fit the stereotype. At least you fit the stereotype. Alright, I'm pink. Rachel's orange. You're gonna bribe the officer?
I'll exchange my sentence with donuts. I'll give you some donuts. No, you should be in prison.
The judge is here. The judge is here. You just witnessed. The judge just witnessed this. How do your sentence will be doubled
Into what?
into life? Into life.
How did that double?
Because it was 50 years. These are the ones that have the meaning. So this is I'm just regular, and then since Rachel is red, she's on death row. So she's
in death row?
yeah, 사형수라며. So you're gonna be dead.
Okay.
Where are we supposed to go? Run away. Oh no, the prisoners are running away. Wait, I'm a prisoner too. We're in jail.
I feel free.
No, we're in jail, dudes. We're in jail.
I'm too young to die.
You're not gonna die.
Is it illegal to like kill a teenager? Like I'm not even 18 yet.
I don't know. Oh no, she's running away. She's running away. Get her.
Blah 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 blah.
Baby, oh, I'm locked in here.
Go the other way. The door's open. Get the other way.
What did you do this time?
The light is blinding me.
Let's go up a bit more. And I went up here for a few moments. And
Look at the floor. It's so scary.
I didn't know that. You didn't know that? How did you not notice it? I'm scared. There's an open jail cell. Go inside, inmate. Oh, we locked the officer in. We locked the officer in. Now you know how we feel, officer.
Go inside the prison. I did nothing wrong. I
That's
just
what they all say. Why does Joseph look so good in that outfit, though?
He really looks like a
He's supposed to be-
donut lover.
What's moving? This. It's just the wind.
Wow.
You scared yourself. You scared yourself.
How did you become a white? What was your crime?
Fraud.
I stole some candy from a baby.
The officer is scared.
Of heights. Arrest me. Arrest me already.
You know, it's a lot more smaller than I thought it would be. I mean, it is used as a place that movies come to film when they need like a spot to film like a jail, prison scene. Oh look, the way out. The way out. It's the way out. The way out. We're free. We're free. Oh wait, oh this is where, hey, Josie, you're supposed to be inside here. My information was wrong. We're not free? Where are we then?
We're encaged.
We're encaged? Where? Oh, this is the way in the prison. The opposite way. Oh.
I smell something fishy. Or something rotten. Because we're rotten to the core.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Disney is this. Oh wow, why is it so short?
Raise your head.
It's so short, look. So these are the films that were filmed here. And oh, I know this one. This was filmed here too? Really? I enjoyed that. Hey, hey. Look, red. No, he's not the one that's dead. Oh wait, he's the one that's dead. So you're him. You're dead.
Oh my god.
Okay, this cell is cleaner than the last one.
Oh god, these doors are really squeaky. They need to be oiled.
Oh, inside the.
What happened in there? Your jaw hurts. The judge is in jail. What? Come out. You've been bailed. You've been bailed. $1,000. Say that.
I'm writing my diary. This the year, whatever. I've been in here for 40 years. I
Hey,
don't know what I'm
are you gonna write letters? Are you gonna write letters to the library for donations?
Nah.
You don't know the movie?
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
I rather write
Write
this.
my name.
Rachel S. She's dead. You're asking for death. Today's class is
There's Hey, Roo.
No, look at Jacob.
Oh, I didn't see. Okay, wait.
Hello there. Can I sit there?
Oh, he looks kind of scared.
Hi, babe.